If you're over 50 and bones are suddenly on your radar, welcome. That's not paranoia, that's wisdom. Bone strength matters. Fractures matter. Staying upright, independent and confident in your body matters. And yes, walking is one of the most practical tools we have to support bone health. So today I'm walking and talking about how bones actually work, why walking helps, and how to do it in a way that counts. This is Get Up Stronger. I'm out on one of my regular walks, part movement, part thinking time, and part sanity. I build strength into my life instead of trying to schedule it like a chore. And that matters because bones don't respond to intentions. They respond to mechanical load. That's the science part, and it's important. Here's how bones work. Bones are living tissue. They are constantly remodeling, breaking down, and rebuilding. When you put stress on bones in a healthy way, special cells called osteoblasts get to work and reinforce them. When bones don't get regular stress, the body adapts the other way. That's why inactivity is one of the biggest risk factors for bone loss as we age. Now, I'm 61, and this counts for women 50 and over. So walking counts because it's weight bearing and your skeleton is supporting your body against gravity. And gravity is useful, particularly for this purpose. So every step sends a signal up through your feet, legs, hips and spine. Your body hears that signal and responds. Why upright walking matters, and I'll explain what I mean. Now here's where technique comes in without making it complicated. Posture matters because bones respond to direction of force. When you walk upright, head tall, chest open and arms swinging, you're loading the spine, hips and legs in alignment. That's good information for your skeleton. Slouching changes how that force travels, so does shuffling. You don't need to have perfect posture, but you do need intentional posture. Walk like your body deserves support, because it does. Here's another thing bones care deeply about, and that's frequency. So bones respond better to regular, moderate loading than to occasional bursts of intensity. So that's why walking several times a week beats the I'll start Monday workout cycle. This is well supported in research on bone density and aging. Your bones don't need drama, they need reminders. So I'm not interested in punishing my body into compliance. I'm interested in building a relationship with it that lasts, particularly if I fall. I don't want to break anything and I want to be able to get back up again easily. Walking does that. I get stronger and I get to live my life. Coffee helps too, let's be honest. One more science-backed upgrade. Variation. Bones respond well to slightly different stresses. That can be different routes, hills, uneven sidewalks, changes in pace, particularly changes in pace. And you don't need chaos, you just don't want sameness forever. That's why I love turning walks into missions and cafe crawls. And as you know, I do a bit of running as well. But this is about walking. So your bones get new information and your brain stays interested. And that's in relation to me turning walks into missions and cafe crawls. Everybody wins. So here's your Get Up Stronger, Strong Bones mission. Walk for 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Walk upright, let your arms swing, choose one route that feels just a little different. That's it. You are giving your bones a reason to stay strong. Here's something no one talks about enough. When your bones feel strong, you move differently. You stand taller, you take up more space, and you hesitate less. That confidence is physical first, and then the mindset follows. So if you're over 50 and you're done outsourcing your strength to fear and confusion, you're in the right place. This is Get Up Stronger. I build strength in real life, one walk at a time. Next up, we'll talk about how walking clears brain fog and sharpens focus, because that's another system that loves movement. I'll see you on the next mission.